Welcome to the Personal Comfort Smartphone App Tutorial. First, you will need to download the Personal Comfort app to your smartphone. The app is free, and you can find the app in the App Store or on Google Play. Once downloaded, please open the app and follow the on-screen prompts. Bluetooth is required to be enabled. Please select your mattress model, size, and type. You can also name your side of the bed and your partner's side of the bed. Next, you will need to find your bed. Press Test to locate your air control unit and follow the on-screen prompts. Then select your power base and press Test to locate your power base or power bases and follow the on-screen prompts. To ensure proper setup, it's important to indicate which side of the bed the head raised. Once your bed base has been connected, you are all set. Within the app, there are three important sections: Home, Sleep Settings, and Bed Position. These sections can be found in the icons at the bottom of the screen. The Sleep Settings section allows you to make adjustments to the support of your bed to help you get more comfortable.
Press up to increase the firmness of the bed. Press down to decrease the firmness.
You can select either side of the bed, and you can save your favorite settings into memory. The Bed Positions section allows you to make adjustments to each side of the power base. You can also sync foot, sync the whole base, or unsync the bases. All of your power base's available features should be enabled. You can raise and lower your foot, head, and pillow sections of the power base. There are also quick adjustments for flat, zero gravity, and anti-snore. You can also save your favorite position in one of the two memory settings. If your power base has a light and massage, you can also control those features here as well. The hamburger menu at the top left has some very helpful features and links to explore. We highly recommend using the Get to Know Your Bed feature to help familiarize you with all of the features available in your new sleep system. Let's take a look.
Loading the Personal Comfort Bed Smart Demo. Preparing the demo. Please wait. Are you ready? Please lie on your back. Do not get out of the bed. Let's raise your feet. The foot section of the mattress is slightly elevating. This position may help increase circulation and reduce lower back pain. How about a massage? A slight elevation of your feet combined with a little bit of massage is a great way to relax. Let's raise your head. This position may help combat common sleep ailments such as acid reflux, sleep apnea, snoring, and head colds. Your partner's head will adjust soon. Only a flex head mattress will give you this kind of customized comfort. Flex foot feature. You can also adjust the foot section independently. Take a look at your feet. Isn't that neat? If your partner is fast asleep, you can still raise your feet without disrupting them. Next, we'll go to the zero gravity position. This is a great position to be in when watching TV, reading a book, or scrolling through your newsfeed. Zero gravity places your body in a natural floating position and may give you the feeling of weightlessness. Take a deep breath and relax. Relax your eyes and look straight ahead. Doesn't that feel great? I sure wish I was as relaxed as you. I could really use a nap right now. The pillow tilt feature is engaged. This will help reduce strain in your eyes, neck, and back when watching TV or reading a book. The pillow tilt feature may help your head and neck feel more comfortable. Let's get you even more comfortable. Please stay on your back. Now it's time to find your sleep setting. Tell me a bit about yourself so I can help you find your sleep setting. Do you share the bed? Thank you. Now it's time to find your recommended sleep setting. Please lie on your back and press the button when you are ready. The bed is going flat. We recommend finding your sleep setting while in the flat position. This way, you can feel the different levels of comfort. The mattress is now adjusting. As the bed adjusts, you should feel your body getting more comfortable. 15 is your recommended sleep setting. There, I think we are close. How does this feel? Congratulations, you found your sleep setting. Please enjoy the mattress while we find your partner's sleep setting. Please hand me to your partner. Tell me a bit about yourself so I can help you find your sleep setting. Thank you. Now it's time to find your recommended sleep setting. Please lie on your back and press the button when you are ready. The bed is going flat. We recommend finding your sleep setting while in the flat position. This way, you can feel the different levels of comfort. The mattress is now adjusting. As the bed adjusts, you should feel your body getting more comfortable. 12 is your recommended sleep setting. There, I think we are close. How does this feel? The mattress is now adjusting. As the bed adjusts, you should feel your body getting more comfortable. Final adjustment. Fine-tune your sleep setting. Press the up arrow to increase firmness and the down arrow to decrease firmness. Then press go. The mattress is now adjusting. Congratulations, you found your sleep setting. Please hand me back to your partner. The bed is going back to the zero gravity position. Congratulations, you found your sleep setting. You just experienced personal comfort. Please relax and enjoy the bed. The bed is going back to a flat position. Thank you for taking the time to experience personal comfort.
There are many other links available to you in the hamburger menu. Another very helpful one is the First Night link. That takes you to a web page with helpful videos as well as tips and techniques to get the most out of your new sleep system, the first night and every night after. There is also a quick link to controller operation to help you operate your new sleep system as well. We invite you to take some time and explore the other features within the app. Thank you for watching this personal comfort smartphone app tutorial.